Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and your finger because Touch ID needs a stable baseline. First, update iPad OS and charge the iPad, then remove any case that blocks the top button. Make sure you set a passcode now. It's required as a backup. Once done, open Settings, tap Touch ID and passcode and authenticate with your passcode. Make sure your finger is clean and slightly dry, then tap Add a fingerprint to start the enrollment flow. You'll now enroll the fingerprint by following the on-screen prompts. Place the pad of your finger on the top power button and hold until you feel a vibration. Lift and rest repeatedly so the sensor captures different areas. Move the finger to catch the outer edges and different angles, because varied contact improves reliability. Once the first scan completes, the interface asks for more placements to refine the template. Make sure to add an alternate finger, or rescan the same finger with different orientations. You finish by enabling the features that use Touch ID. Toggle iPad Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store in settings so the sensor is active for each. Once enabled, lock the iPad and unlock it with your registered finger to verify speed and consistency. Also test a small purchase or Apple Pay authorization if applicable. If recognition fails, restart the iPad, clean the top button, delete and re-enroll the fingerprint, and confirm there's no moisture or screen protector interfering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.